More and more people are talking about TikTok, and it's definitely catching the attention of entrepreneurs, marketers, and e-commerce professionals. In fact, TikTok is changing the face of social media. And with that in mind, it's reasonable to ask the question, can you make money on TikTok? And the short answer is yes. Yes, you can. By now, I'm sure everyone has heard of TikTok, but just in case, let me tell you quickly about it. TikTok is an app for creating and sharing short videos. You can find virtually everything on there, from dancing videos to recipes to makeup tutorials to utter WTF, pardon my French, to grandparents acting either adorably cool or super weird. The app is so popular that in a short amount of time, it's grown to an active user base of 500 million. That's 500 million and still growing rapidly. So what makes it so popular? The short answer is extremely engaging content. TikTok uses powerful algorithms to show content that's relevant to you. It works so well that you'll find yourself spending hours watching videos without even realizing it. On average, users spend more than 52 minutes on TikTok daily and open their app 8 times, which is a lot. And even boomers like me are using TikTok on the regular. Originally the domain of teens, now even mums, dads, grandparents, and brands are jumping on board, and not to mention artists and celebrities. With such a growing user base and engaging viewers, there's never been a better opportunity to capitalize on this success. So, how can you make money with all this in mind? The answer is dropshipping. Who doesn't love an exclusive hoodie or shirt from their favorite content creator? If you have a growing following on TikTok, selling your very own merch is a great and super easy way to make money, especially if you're familiar with print-on-demand dropshipping, where you need almost zero startup capital. Simply take your design and head to Printify.com to easily create your product and then promote your merch in your TikTok videos. With Printify, you can turn all of that heavy traffic into revenue. So what should you post on TikTok? Well, the great thing about this platform is that you really don't need experience to make it to the top. All you need is your phone. Part of TikTok's success is that users inspire each other. There are new trendy challenges almost every day, which means that you can always find something fresh to post and grow your following. Plus, there are all kinds of easy and fun editing tools and music right at your fingertips. You just need to be creative and find ways to engage your audience and promote your merchandise. So what are you waiting for? Begin your TikTok journey and start earning today. For more information on how to monetize your TikTok with merchandise, have a look at our article in the description. And remember, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our uploads, and have a look at our other videos as well.